This is one of those topics that no one likes to talk about. Washrooms are naturally very warm and humid places. That in itself often compromises most heater covers placed in there. With many utilities installed, you only have a limited number of options when it comes to where to install the heater. It usually ends up in close proximity to the toilet, placing it in a direct line of fire, so to speak. Urine, pee, is not just water. It also contains uric acid, which is quite effective at gradually chipping away at layers of paint, eventually making its way to the metal of the heater cover. So it's no surprise that heater covers installed in washrooms are usually the first to rust. What can we do in order to provide you with baseboard heater covers that last longer? All Vail baseboard covers are made out of aluminum. Scientifically speaking, aluminum is never going to rust, no matter how much water and pee come in contact with it. At 16 gauge thickness, the aluminum is as sturdy as steel, with the added benefit that it remains rust-free for life. We also powder coat it, ensuring that it will last for years. Don't let urine splashback get you down. Head over to our website to order your very own Vail baseboard covers today.